not gonna be like.
Oh, my little fuzzy thing fell off.
Test 1, 2, 3.
It's showtime, folks.
Hi, my name is Ricardo Rodarte.
Aiden Andy Altagracia, and I'm
Jake Olson.
Jose Gael Mendoza Saldaña.
My full name, Hector Lionel Lopez Zuniga.
My name is Rafael Sandoval. They call me Rafa here.
full name Fernando Villanueva.
Blake Inez.
My name is Fabian Ruiz.
My name's August Schuyler.
My name is David Edwin Ria Jr.
My name is Justin Astorga.
My name is Brandon Wong.
Vincent T.D. Aquisto.
My name is Matt Simodi. I'm currently in the Fundamentals of Fabrication program. I've always been into stuff in the desert, riding dirt bikes, everything, and then found desert racing a couple years ago and I've been a big fan of that.
Just grew up as a desert kid. I always wanted to, come out and just build race cars and do cool stuff, so.
Spent some time in the military and worked overseas as a contractor for most of my adult life. So this is something new to me.
I've always been in the welding industry, more specifically the off-road. Been growing up in quads, sand rails, dirt bikes, all around the desert.
I grew up riding moto. I love dirt bikes.
I just got in here because, the off-road scene.
I'm a veteran, came up in the gas conditioning and power generation field. I've been working on cars and trucks my entire life. I just got tired of sitting behind a desk. I wanted to get back out in the fields.
I'm retired from the Marine Corps. I'm also retired from LA County Sheriff's Department. I wanted to come here to this school because I've always wanted to learn this kind of stuff, but never able to. So, can we do the other one where, the one where you say about when I say I'm retired, I kind of stumbled and shit. Sure. All right.
Take 2.
I am 56 years old. I retired from the Marine Corps. Just recently I retired from LA County Sheriff's Department. So I'm here just to learn, gain some knowledge for a possible new career.
Perfect, man.
Good.
Fantastic.
Retired military and just a car enthusiast. Love drifting, drag racing, building cars. I've actually built 3 cars so far and I'm looking to just take it to the next step, and that's why I came out here.
So I'm 18 years old. I came straight from high school. I wasn't really like a sit-down person, but I'm really I enjoy hands-on training and I kind of just enjoyed it.
During the course, what was one of your favorite projects you made?
The motorcycle, but that was a good team project. I like the bead roll. You can be creative.
I really like the bowl stand. You have a lot of room to just get creative and do something. And
I always said oh, this is my favorite. But as we kept going and going, I was like, damn, they're all amazing, dude.
All of them are unique in their own ways. I would say the AR project though. It gets more into detail into suspension stuff.
Probably learning about the suspension. I've always nerded out on that and wanted to figure out how to improve what I have on the vehicles that I own. And now with the knowledge that I have, I'm equipped to be able to go back and at least make an attempt at it.
On the body panel, I like to bend the tube and get it all looking nice and a nice finish on the metal and everything with a nice fit. It's very satisfying to me.
My favorite project was probably the body panel. I chose to do the curve because I wanted to use the shrinker stretcher. I like welding aluminum tubing, doing intakes, turbo design.
I really like the roll cage project.
Probably the cage. It's a tricky one, definitely, just because I learned quite a lot out of it.
Roll cage, I learned a lot of aspects of fabrication, also a lot of patience. Things take time and it's not easy to do, but once you get at it, you get the numbers right and the outcome will come.
I'd say the roll cage. Nice. Yeah, it was definitely the roll cage. Had some fun with that. It was stressful, but yeah. Pretty fun.
Probably the Rose Project. Oh, definitely the roll cage for me. Yeah, the roll cage was just one way for me to get insight to what I am going to be doing, and just kind of let me know if it's something that I really wanted to do. I mean, definitely the bead rolling. The bead rolling was something that I really enjoyed. I got to learn a little bit more patience. Not everything has to be done so quickly.
You know what? I don't think I had a favorite. I think I enjoyed every day just learning new stuff. Our class is made up of a bunch of 18-year-olds that just got out of school. And it was exciting to be able to be around all these kids. I'm 56 years old. They're 18 years old, so you can imagine the shenanigans and the fun we've had.
August.
January August?
Yeah.
Gotcha there. What's up, man?
Oh, Fern, right? Fernando? You edit a picture of this when he's doing the interview?
Yeah.
Bro, yeah.
Our class has a really gnarly sense of humor.
Because we just like mess around constantly, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we got like this butthurt thing going. Like you can't get butthurt for anything. So it's like there's days where you're like, dude, like give me back my beanie, bro. Like, are you getting butthurt? Nah. They were calling me Borat, dude. Because I had the mustache, I didn't have the beard. It was just the mustache and my hair was like sticking out of my hat. They're like, dude, you look like Borat.
A wheel alive, high five. I really like the roll cage project. Some of the other projects I've had some experience with just in my racing program and working on my own cars and stuff. So the roll cage project was definitely something that I was looking forward to coming into the course because it's not something that I've done yet. And throughout the project, I felt like I learned a lot that I can use going forward with my racing and hopefully with my career. Definitely went through some tubes trying to figure that out and learn how to notch everything and just getting everything to fit with the other tubes that other people were making made it kind of difficult because, you know, everyone does stuff a different way. So when you do something one way and someone does it another way, it doesn't always work out. So sometimes you gotta just adapt.
Last question. Is there any last things you want to give or a shout out?
Thanks to my parents for getting me through this. I couldn't have done it without them. And yeah, my buddies that brought me here. Nick and Daniel were awesome. Curtis with a lot of help.
I'd like to thank all the instructors that we had for spreading the knowledge they have, being patient with us, and all the stupid questions we probably asked and made them rip their hair out. But we appreciate all the hard work that they've done and everything that they've done to help us get up to this point and level of proficiency.
I want to thank Nick and Daniel. I feel like they're both great instructors and I learned a lot from both of them. And everyone else in my class, I mean, we've all gotten along really well. So, I mean, a group of us went to King of the Hammers together and it's just been an overall really positive environment to be in. There's no conflicts in class with the instructors or with the other students.
Shout out to Miguel, the one that taught me how to weld. My parents as well supported me the whole way through.
Instructors, Daniel and Nick. Daniel and Nick. Nick for sure knows what he's doing in off-road. Daniel was a big help when it came to like machining, fabricating, touching up stuff, but yeah.
Shout out my mom. She forced me to come here.
Yeah, the VA. I mean, I'm in here because of the VAR in the E program, and it's been great. Actually, I just got accepted to the Advanced Composites course, so I'll be leaving here and coming back on March 4th once again.
Nick and Daniel showed me their tricks. You know, it's not something that, you know, you learn in school. It's something but you learn like throughout your experience. And especially my parents too. They've been helping me out with the school.
For sure want to shout out my mom. I mean, I wouldn't be here without her. For sure Miguel, I want to shout out Miguel. Miguel was a great guy here at the school.
I just want to shout out my moms and my dad, you know, for helping me out and, you know, telling me to keep going. And the instructors too, Nick and Daniel, thank you. I appreciate all your guys' help.
Shout out to my family, definitely, for supporting me through this journey. My instructors, my girlfriend.
Well, thanks for sure to God. And then my wife and my parents for being supportive. All the guys here in the class for making it a good time. The instructors for making it a good time.
Oh man, I just want to thank Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. Without him, nothing would be possible. The support of my family. I had to leave them for 6 months to come out here. And of course, my instructors, Miguel, Nick, Daniel, and my classmates. My classmates really, you know, pushed me through. I was lucky enough to have, you know, 3 other veterans in the class with me, and definitely having that veteran support. I don't know if it was intentional, but it definitely helped.
Seat time. I mean, even though you're struggling, it's like anything else, you know, success is built on top of a mountain of failure. So every time you don't do something right, you're learning another way not to do it. You know, so it's not really failing, it's just you're learning. So the more seat time you have, the better you're going to be at anything. I think they say to master something, you need 10,000 hours. So I'm probably a quarter of the way there, you know, but messing up isn't bad, you know. I mean, it's learning from the mistakes you made to get to where you want to be. You know, there's some struggles, trials, and tribulations as you're struggling through trying to get to the next step or whatever project you're working on. But I think the type of people that are here, it's a mentality that everybody wants to be here, and you're here for a reason. And that kind of brings everyone together on a united front already. I mean, it's not like your typical brick and mortar school. You're actually learning something. Yeah, I've been to college. I have my degree, but these hands-on schools are just, you get so much more out of it at the end of the day, you know. No, I love being here. The people are cool. The students are cool. Everyone's trying to help each other.